Guys, today we are going to do top browned steaks, salt and pepper, and we're going to break out the old cast irons. So we're going to put some olive oil, 2 tablespoons in the pan. We're going to let that get nice and hot. Meantime, get your top brown steaks. You want to make sure they're dry. A dry steak is going to get a nice sear on it once it hits that heat. So I'm going to grab a paper towel, fold it in half, and all you do is you simply just blot it. Throw it away. Now, something I'm going to address is that this red that comes out of your steak is not blood. It is hemoglobin. Okay, it's the juices from the actual meat. It's not actual blood from that was inside the cow. Okay, so then we're going to take salt and pepper, generously coat this side. Again, you can tell if the skillet's hot, the oil is running through quickly. You want to make sure it's like on the verge of smoking. So I set my gas grill at about 6. I just let it sit for a minute. We'll go from there. I like using cast irons because cast irons gives it a nice crisp crust on your steak. Got a little bit of bubbling here going on. Our oil is moving nice and quick. So then we're going to place the salt and pepper side of your brown down into the pan. So I will show you what I mean. You should hear that sizzle when it hits. Alright, so we're going to get a couple of these in this pan. A lot of people like their steaks well done, medium, whatever. The way you cook a steak is medium rare. That is the ideal temp for a steak. Now you want to use, that would be about 135 degrees. Now a steak is a muscle, so steak is going to continue to cook. So I recommend pulling them from the pan when they hit about 125, 130 degrees, because then you're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes so that it holds all those juices inside the steak. You're going to cook it on this side for about 2 to 2.5 minutes, going on 3 minutes depending on the thickness of the steak. Flip it over. Only flip it 1 time. Flip it more than that, you're taking a chance of letting juices release from the steak, and then you're going to lose a lot of flavor from the protein. So we'll be back in 1 second whenever you're ready to flip and go. Alright guys, so I just flipped our steaks. We have a nice sear on there. See that? That should be what they look like. Have a nice crust on the outside. One's starting to bubble up on me, so I'm going to take my weight, place it on there. Help it continue its sear. We're going to let that go for about another 2 to 3 minutes. And then we should have a nice medium rare steak. I like to check my steaks 2 different ways. I like to touch them. You got your feel right here as far as what's what. And then I also like to get yourself out thermometer and temp them. Always double check. You get in the habit of doing it long enough though, you're good, you're golden. Alright, so we got our thermometer out. Pick the steak up with our tongue. You temp the fattest part. We're at 133, so we're good to go. temp each one. Yeah, 134. These will actually probably be on the verge of between medium and well done. Or I mean medium rare and medium. I'm just placing right here on this paper towel. I'll let them sit for about 5 minutes. Now I've got our steaks done except for the last one. The last one is for my daughter. It's got to be well done. She's only 6. So I mean some people give them, you know, medium, mid-rare steaks at that point, but you know, well done is the way to go for little ones like that. So I'm letting this one go. If I wanted it medium, I'd go another 2 minutes. If I wanted it medium well, 2 more on top of that. So I might have to leave this in for like another 6 minutes, and then we'll be done with this one. Alright, so today we made steak, we made scallops, we made roasted cauliflower in our air fryer, some brown butter sauce. I'm going to show you how to put it all together into a nice plate. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to lay our base. So our base is going to be our veg. So we got our base right here. I'm going to place that right in the center of the plate. It's our cauliflower, it's our tomatoes, all that is ready to go. Make sure we touch our edges up. Next we're going to take our steak. So we did a top round. Got a nice sear on it. It's rested. We're going to place that leaned up against the steak. Okay, keeping everything center, everything standing out, looking gorgeous. Always wipe the edges of your plate. Then we're going to take our scallops and place 3 or 4 of them around the plate. Alright, we are then going to spoon our brown butter sauce, our lemon garlic brown butter sauce, over said scallops. And then a little over the steak as well. Don't be afraid to use it. Adds lots of flavor to your dish. Alright, and then we're going to add some chopped green onions over the whole plate. And there you have it. Please like and subscribe.